Hi, Andrea Bray of Infra, Intelligence Framework. In the Hackboard, we have many tools. One of the most interesting is the exploit. Exploit is able to run commands on the remote computer. So there are some different things. For example, we can find the vulnerabilities. So just finding the vulnerabilities, also testing them, and then we can use them. We can find a generic exploit. We can also directly do everything automated. For example, we just want to have an evidence that it's working. We will have a shell of a remote computer. So we don't need to choose the technique. We don't need to choose the exploit. It can be all automated. This works because previously this target was also scanned from the scan board. So we have a report. So we have a report of a Linux and a Windows and some other targets on the internet. Let's try the Linux one. Just auto hack. I don't choose anything. I don't change anything. I just click here, start. And now we wait and see what's happening. Basically, it will check all the reports now and looking for vulnerabilities. Then we'll try to find all the problems and compare to the database of vulnerabilities that we have. So now I see written wait. So we don't have to hurry. There are many tasks that will be done. There are potentially many vulnerabilities that can be exploited, and it is testing one after the other. So basically, when it finds one that is working, it will use it and try to do the shell. So let's wait a bit. Okay, since doing something now, it's writing. Yeah, it's writing the shell. So it is the shell. We have root privileges, the IP, and the time we see that is today is now. So we successfully hacked it, and we can download the evidence here. So we'll download all this page, and we have the proof that it's working. So we hacked a Linux system. Um, let's start again from zero, and we do with the Windows that we scanned before. The Windows is just a generic Windows that we install by default without any modification. It works with any Windows until 2016, for example, for the exploit that I'm focusing now. But it can work for any Windows, including Windows 10, Windows 2019, or whatever will go out. If there is the good match between the report that we have here and the exploit that we have. So if there is an exploit and there is a vulnerability, it will try to do it all automatic. So let's scan again and wait, of course. So let's wait a bit and see. It will find some vulnerabilities. I see in the report there are vulnerabilities on this target. Every Windows when it's fresh without particular modification can be vulnerable, and even a secure machine today, tomorrow will be vulnerable. So it's a question of time. They will create exploit. We will find the vulnerability, and we will match everything together. So that will be all automated. We just scan the target. Then if this is an important vulnerability, we just put in our list, and that will be matched with the potential exploits and testing all of them until it doesn't break in. So we just wait. This is our Windows now, and yes, it's already, you see, it's already doing stuff. Okay, and now we add the shell. This is the Windows shell, the common prompt of Windows with the IP and whatever. So also this was working, just one click. Execution of command is a shell. We can execute any command. We can do a lot of things, a lot of damage, and we can use a lot of techniques together. In this example, instead of choosing the technique, finding the technique and choosing the technique, we did all automatic, and it works. Even all automatic, it works. It works. So thank you for the time. It is the automatic exploitation with the exploit in the Hackboard. Full automatic exploitation. We had two computers without to even know how. Like we just tried the target and it's one-click hacking. Of course, the details are in the report, and also there can be evidences in the extra folder.